Can you enable internet speed indicator on iPhone? So basically, iPhone do not natively support showing an internet speed indicator in the status bar, unlike some Android devices. So here is how you can still monitor your connection speed. So in order to do that, all you have to do is open any web browser on your iPhone. So here I'm tapping on the Safari for now. And once you're inside the Safari, all you have to do is tap on the search address bar and search for the speed tester in iPhone. Then scroll down and tap on the speed test by Ookla option available there. There are other legitimate websites as well. You can tap on any according to your preferences. Then there you can see go option available inside the circle. Now tap on it and wait for the results to be shown. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.